Digital billiards revolutionizes entertainment. No cue sticks or physical tables required, just a tap of your fingertips to start playing. A realistic physics engine recreates the feel of each shot, with a variety of scenes appearing randomly. It supports two-player matches and AI practice partners, allowing you to enjoy competitive fun anytime, anywhere. Introduction to game rules. 1. Game objective. Use 1 white ball and 15 object balls. Players must first pocket all balls of their assigned group, and then legally pocket the 8 ball to win. 2. Break shot. Rack setup. Object balls are arranged in a triangle, with the 8 ball at the center, the first ball placed on the foot spot, and the 2 corner balls of the triangle must be 1 solid and 1 stripe. Break shot right. Determined by a lag, each player hits a ball to the top cushion. One whose ball is closer to the bottom cushion goes first, or a coin toss. Valid break. At least 4 balls must hit a cushion, or any ball must be pocketed. Otherwise, it is a foul, and the opponent may either re-break or continue playing. 3. Determining ball groups. The first legal pocketed ball after the break shot determines the player's group. If no balls are legally pocketed by either player on the break, the group is determined by the first legal pocketed ball in subsequent shots. 4. Stroke rules. Legal stroke. You must first hit your own target balls, solids, or stripes, and then either pocket any ball, including the opponent's balls or the 8 ball, or make at least 1 ball hit a cushion. Once all your target balls are pocketed, you may strike the 8 ball. Fouls. The white cue ball is pocketed, scratch, failure to hit any target ball. Hitting the opponent's balls or the 8 ball first, unless all your own balls have been pocketed. No ball hits a cushion or is pocketed after the stroke. Touching any ball on the table with your body or cue. 5. Foul penalties. The opponent is awarded a free ball, allowed to place the white cue ball anywhere on the table to strike. Continuous fouls may result in a loss. Specific rules depend on the match. 6. Determination of win-loss. Winning conditions. After legally pocketing all of one's own balls, legally pocket the 8 ball into the designated pocket. A prior declaration is required. Some rules do not mandate this. Losing conditions. The white cue ball is pocketed when striking the 8 ball, or the 8 ball fails to go into the designated pocket. Pocketing the 8 ball before finishing all of one's own ball group. Players can choose between single-player mode or 2-player battle. The single-player mode is a challenge against the computer AI. In the game, players can press the pink button, Cue Point, to bring up the Cue Point adjustment panel, where they can switch cueing methods such as top spin, back spin, left spin, and right spin. After adjustment, press the pink button again to confirm and execute different positional cueing techniques. The default cue is a standard one, and more advanced cues are available in the game. The higher the cue level, the more professional cueing techniques it offers. Pros can find all the techniques they need here, while even beginners can get the hang of it in just 3 seconds. Merchants can add paid features according to their operational model. Join now, and your store will be the next popular check-in spot.